Hello everyone, today let's talk about tooths belt. Look this belt with tooth, and this size is AV1312880 LA1230LI. This size. This tooth belt made of EPDM rubber, and we have many type material. We have EPDM rubber and CR and rubber. We all can customize. This tooth belt have many following features, such as vulcanized at low temperature, with longer service life and more wear resistance, high temperature resistance, good structure, aging resistance, good abrasion resistance, mud-proof water, and we can provide the customer the service. We can customize this size. We can customize this size, this material, this color. We all can customize this type. We all can customize. We have PK belt, and this is tooth belt. If you like this, just send us our inquiries, and we can send you free samples. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.